Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you a really cool trick on your Milwaukee batteries. When you hold the power fuel gauge down for a few seconds, it will blink and tell you different codes. So as you hold it down like this as an example, you'll see all of them light up to tell you which number you're on, and then they'll blink and you're going to count how many times it does that. So let me show you a chart of what that looks like. So on a piece of paper, what you'll want to do is draw 4 boxes, and you'll do that 4 times in a row. So when you hold down that button for the fuel gauge, it will light up all of them once, and then you know you're on your first row, and then you count how many times it blinks for each of those boxes, and you'll write that number in the box. And then as example, when it will go to the second one, it'll now light up all of them twice, so you know you're on your second row of data, and then you write down how many times it blinks in each box. And then it'll do that a third time and a fourth time. Then you can take that data and get the information on the battery, the status, the days since it was first charged, the charges in the factory. Okay, so we'll do this together. We'll hold the fuel gauge down for about 3 seconds, and then I slowed the footage down so we could count this. So notice how they all light up once. So we're on our first round. Box 3 lights up once, box 4 lights up once. So we put a 1 in each of those boxes on a piece of paper. Now it lit up twice. We're on our second round. So box 2 lit up once, box 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the last box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now they're all going to light up to say we're on the next one. So they light up 3 times. We're on our third section here, and it skips it because this battery's never been charged. So now it blinked all the way for the 4th box, and we're putting in how many times it's blinking. We're going to count a total of 5 on the second box in. So on a piece of paper, we're going to have these drawn out. We're going to write a number 5 for that second box, a number 1 for the third box, and then 2 more for that last box. Okay, so that's how that works, and then you can look at your piece of paper and decipher what those codes were. Now let's go over to this other 8 amp hour battery, and we're going to see the same thing. Hold it down, and then when we let go, it's going to light up all of those to tell us what number we're on. So here's number 1. It's going to give us box number 2. We're going to say is 1. And then it skips to box 4 is 1. That's it. Now these all light up again twice to let us know we're on to our second round. So box number 2 is a 1. Box number 3, 1, 2, 3. And then the last box, it did a total of 7. Okay, and so that's going to be our days since last charge. So it's been a long time since this battery's been charged. And then this one again, I've never charged before, so notice how it's going to skip and go right to the last one. So 3 shows nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're on to the 4th box. So it skipped the whole 3. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to put 5 in that second box. 1, 2, and then a 1 for the third box, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we can look up what that means, but that's how you diagnose these. They can tell you how many times they've been charged and some other important information. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, check the video description. I have a whole bunch of other videos that are similar, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.